Let me tell you, this thing is heavy. Surprisingly heavy. I'm not a fan of putting things together. That's a Vittles vault in the background for reference. First part, I don't even know what the hell. They don't have a, I don't have a piece that even looks like this. Ridiculous.
Cut it out. Stop.
Alright, I just want to give a final thought on this Ikea piece that I put together. Just so you can see what we're looking at here. It's about the size of a washer dryer combo bottom piece, maybe a little bit bigger. It's a nice color, looks good. One thing I can tell you about this, it's not very stable. Actually, Ikea stuff comes with a tether that you're supposed to screw into the wall and then to the into the furniture itself. I'm going to show you something. Not super stable. I would have, you're going to need some L brackets in the top and the bottom. Maybe have a handyman do it. Again, not bad for $100. The box was super heavy. If you're an older person and yeah, you're gonna need some help getting out of your car. It was, I lift weights and it was heavy. As you can see in the previous video, opening the box, spreading everything out, thinking about putting together was a little bit overwhelming at first. I will say it wasn't that bad when I started getting into it. I can tell you something larger than this though, like if it was a TV center or something like that, I couldn't even imagine that. And there is a service that puts stuff together for you, but just keep in mind that costs money. Just for this thing, it was $70. I was reading, because I almost thought about calling somebody, but it turns out you didn't need everything that it said in the, you know, necessarily need a drill. You know, you can just screw things in by hand. Yeah, I mean, it looks nice. For $100 and something bucks, and I put it together myself, not bad. But probably not gonna buy something larger than this from Ikea. But anyway, get closer, you can see the color. Looks pretty nice. Alright, that's it. Thanks.